Lavalier microphones are easy to hide, so they're perfect for ultra-wide shots or any other time when you can't get a boom close to the source. They are ideal for interviews, car shots, multi-camera shoots, and unscripted action. At the Gear Room, we have both wired and wireless lavaliers, or lavs for short. The wired lav microphone can be found in web checkout under Microphones, lav microphones. They require phantom power. This microphone's cord is only 4 feet long, so you'll probably need an XLR cable to reach the recorder or camera. These are great for sit-down interviews or anytime your talent is stationary. If you'll be shooting outdoors, be sure to add a lav windscreen to your reservation to help with wind noise. Most lav mics are omnidirectional, meaning it doesn't matter which direction the mic capsule is pointing, but placement is still important. The microphone's distance from the subject's mouth can change the sound drastically. Clothing noise can also be an issue, especially when hiding the microphone beneath a layer. Looping the microphone's cord under the clip can provide strain relief and help hide the cord. Wireless lavs are good for documentary shooting, where talent will be moving around. The G3 wireless kit needs 4 AA batteries. Depending on the camera or recorder you are using, connect the XLR or stereo mini cord into the receiver where it says AF out. Camcorders and cinema cameras such as the Canon C100 have XLR inputs, whereas DSLR and mirrorless cameras typically have a stereo mini input. The radio frequencies used by wireless microphones can be subject to interference and range issues. Start by turning on the receiver. If the receiver shows signal while the transmitter is turned off, another device is broadcasting on your frequency, and you'll need to scan for a clean channel. You may need to scan for frequencies at each new location to avoid interference. Plug the mic into the transmitter where it says mic/line. While you're at it, make sure the mic isn't on mute. If you aren't getting a signal, check the transmitter and receiver are tuned to the same channel. The signal will drop out if you get too far away. You want to set gain levels on the transmitter, receiver, and recorder, in that order. Ask your subject to speak as loud as they will be and set your levels starting with their belt pack and working back to the recorder. If the signal is clipped early on, you can't fix it later in the signal chain, so leave a little headroom.